Hey guys, let us continue with the Insight Current Affairs for Prelims Insta PT30. We are doing the September month CA. In that, we will continue with the science and tech related current affairs from the topic space. In this, the next news is about the ISRO. It has recently launched, it has tested a hybrid motor which will pave way for new propulsion system for upcoming launch vehicles. In first of its kind, Save the World experiment, NASA's DART, that is Double Asteroid Redirection Test spacecraft, it will crash into a small moonlet called Dimorphos. Other missions to asteroid. So, what are the other missions? So, the DART mission is basically to crash this particular moonlet Dimorphos. Other missions are NASA itself has sent OSIRIS-REx to asteroid Bennu in 2020, and the Lucy spacecraft near Earth asteroid Scout. And then in 2026, it is about to send census-taking telescope to identify hard to find asteroid, and then Psyche spacecraft. All these are sent by NASA to the asteroids, right? Then Japan sent Hayabusa 2, and then China sent Taiwan 2. Next news is about India is pushing tech giants to make smartphones compatible with India's navigation system. So in this pushing the tech giants to make the smartphones compatible. The companies are worried that it will increase hardware and software cost. So what is the range of this particular IRNSS satellite? It is 1500 kilometer radius, and then IRNSS has 8 satellites, 3 are geostationary and 5 geosynchronous orbit. So that's all in the space part. Now we'll start with the technology topic. In which the first news is about the 5G network. It was deployed in two kind of mode. What are they? Standalone and then non-standalone. So in standalone mode, which Jio has chosen, the 5G network operates with dedicated equipment and runs parallel to the existing 4G network. In this non-standalone mode, the 5G network is supported by the 4G core infrastructure, whereas Airtel will work with this non-standalone mode. Jio will work with the standalone mode. In standalone mode, the 5G network will operate with dedicated equipment, and here in non-standalone, it will support the 4G core infrastructure itself further. And the next news is about UIDAI. It introduced a new security layer for Aadhaar Enabled Payment System AEPS to prevent the use of fake fingerprint to withdraw money. So what is this liveness detection? This is a biometrics. In this biometrics is the ability of a system to detect if a fingerprint or face is true or false. We can detect it. And the next news is about government has launched a project under NTMO in various areas. What is this NTMO? This is the National Technical Textile Mission. So what are they? Various projects like specialty fibers, sustainable fiber, geotextile, mobile tech, sports textile, etc. So Minister of Textile launched in 2020 to be implemented in 2024 to make India a global leader in technical textile. India shares only 6% of the world market, and the usage level is only 5 to 10%, and usage in advanced countries is 30 to 70%. And the next news is about the hydration of protein. This could act as a potential marker for the early detection of neurodegenerative disease. Hydration can be considered a process of adding water incrementally to dry protein until a level of hydration is reached, beyond which further addition of water produces no change and only dilutes the protein, right? So this is called hydration of protein. This will be a potential marker for early detection of diseases. And the next news is about the Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Jitendra Singh, announced the scientific completion of Sarawak. This is India's first indigenously developed quadrivalent human papilloma virus vaccine for the prevention of cervical cancer. And the next news is about Meti. It collaborated with Meta, Facebook's parent company, to accelerate XR technology startup in India. What is this XR technology? It is extended reality. So this is an all real and virtual combined environment and human machine interaction generated by computer technology and wearables. And the next news is about IIT Madras has become the first institute in India to join IBM Quantum Network. It aims to advance quantum computing skill and research in India. So this is the first time IIT Madras will join with IBM Quantum Network. So this is a rapidly emerging technology that harnesses the laws of quantum mechanics to solve problems which are too complex for classical computers. Right? We also have to know one more fact that the amount of error in quantum computer is high. Probable amount of error is higher in quantum computer compared to classical computer. And the next news is about the researcher. They have recently found that South Korea's nuclear fusion K-Star reactor has reached the temperature of over 100 million degrees Celsius. This is nearly the 7 times that of core of the sun. So that's all for today. Thank you.